I'm a car man, and I want to talk about a car that I think is really fine. It has wonderful handling, great performance, and it's an all-around good car. And that's a Ford Falcon. I really like the Ford Falcon. You're moving the camera around there.
Do you believe it?
Here. The Falcon is a wonderful design, four-cylinder car with a flathead engine and hardly any pickup. But it's really a nice car to drive.
You believe him?
Why don't you tell everybody what year it is?
What year is it, Grandfather? Grandfather?
The Ford Falcon?
Yes.
Well, they made it from several years, but I can remember it in its prime back in the late 60s. When the gas crunch came, they made a lot of it. The gas crunch came in 72.
What might be a gas crunch?
I mean, where they embargoed gasoline, and none of the Mid-East countries would ship in oil so they could make gasoline.
Very
And you had long lines. And so, oil companies, I mean the car companies, being great guys that they were and always looking after the little guy, started building small cars. The Chevrolet, what's that little one they made? Corvair. And the Ford Falcon. Little cars that got good mileage.
Mm-hmm.
The what, Dorothy?
Which was a disaster.
Well, just because Ralph Nader said it was unsafe at any speed doesn't mean it wasn't a good car.
My aunt had one of those.
But I liked the Falcon over the Corvair. I really did. Because it had a lot of style to it. And it was a very...
No, it had no speed.
You know what?
No speed. This is still kind of hot. I think I should this way. Yeah, I felt that also.
To tell you the truth, I hate the Ford Falcon.
Say that?
Hand slowly.
Yeah, fan slowly.
Hey, Mom,
Like your picture.
you want to say something to the camera?
No, right now she has to go do her obedience. What?
No.
Come on, Mom.
What do you want me to
Oh,
say?
come on, Mom.
Just say anything.
That was horrible.
Well, I can't
Say the first thing that comes to your mind.
say anything nice about a Ford Falcon. But I can about a Mazda RX-8. Everybody should have a Mazda RX-8.
Why? What is it about an RX-8 that you like?
It's just a very well-built car. Very good engine.
I'm going to tell you, look great on camera, Mama.
Does it have a real good transmission?
Uh-huh.
Has a good running gear? Might be a suspension.
Has a rotary engine, baby.
That's right, rotary engine. That's big G, isn't it?
Hey, Mama, how you doing?
I'm doing wonderful.
You want to